Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Crafts. Today I have a little bit of an announcement and unboxing. So I'm so excited to share that I am going to be teaching a class for the Paper Escape. And the Paper Escape is classes that's given by or organized by Lynn from LV Handcrafted. And so there's going to be several designers that will be teaching classes at the Paper Escapes. So in my class, I'm going to be teaching you how to make 2 cards. And so today the unboxing is the kit that you can purchase to go along with the class, but the class is absolutely free to attend if you want to. It's a virtual class, so it's absolutely free to watch online, but if you want to craft along with us, then there is a kit that you can purchase, and so I'm going to unbox that. So everybody gets this bag. It comes packaged in this awesome bag, and I love when kits come packaged in a zip-up bag because you can keep all of your supplies together. And when you're working on projects with the kit, you can just keep them in that bag as well. So Lynn has packaged everything up so beautifully. So first off, we have it wrapped in the tissue paper here, but look at this sticker. That is such a cute sticker. I love the holographic part of that sticker. I don't know how she did that, but I think that's very pretty. So I'll be saving that from one of my journals. Okay, so let's see what's in here. So first off, there is an ink pen in here, and it looks like it's been handmade. So this is one of the items that is a bonus if you order early. So there's a limited number of those, so not every kit may receive one of these. So the first thing that every kit will receive is this ephemera pack. And so these images are so adorable. So these images were designed by Meg and Sire. And so they have colored in some of the images. Several of the designers have colored in images. I colored in some. Lynn has colored in some, as well as Julie. So I'm going to just go through these real quick. Some of these are Meg's and some of these are Sire's, and I'm not sure which is which, but I'm just going to go through them until I find the ones that I colored, and I'll show you the ones I colored. So when you get your kit, you're going to get some from Meg, and you're going to definitely get some from Meg, and then you'll get some from Sire. But then you'll also get a set from one of the designers. So these are the ones that I colored in that I'm showing you close up. And I had so much fun coloring these in. So you'll either get a set from me, a set from Lynn, or a set from Julie. So you'll get 3 sets of ephemera. You just don't know for the 3rd set which designer you'll get. But all of them are so adorable how they're colored in. So you won't go wrong with either set that you get. Now, you don't get to choose the set. It's just a random pick for you, but you'll definitely get Meg and Sire's. So I'm going to put those up, and then I will open the next thing. So the next thing we have here is the paper pack. I love the colors in this paper pack. I have already seen a sneak peek of what all is in the kit. So the colors are so bright and beautiful. And there's a variety of prints here. There's some that's florals and, you know, very bright. And then you also have your grungy or your masculine also look. So there's so many different style cards you'll be able to make with this. And so I'm just going to show you, you get 2 sheets of each design. So I'm just going to go and show you 1 sheet of each design so you can see what they look like. Now they are single-sided, which makes it easy. You don't have to decide which side to use. And they all go together so well. This is going to be a fun class to take. And so I'm looking forward to creating my cards with you all. I've already got 1 card designed in my head, so I can't wait to get started on creating it. And I will be sharing it with you in that class. So those are the papers. The rest of the papers are just a repeat of what I just showed you. So it's a thick cardstock. It's not too thick, but it's not thin either. It's a great weight of cardstock to create cards. So these are 6 by 6 if I did not say that before. And then here is the stamp set. Let me see if I can find a way to show it to you so it'll be easier to see on camera. I do know that there is a piece of white paper somewhere in this pack because I don't think it's going to show up on this blue-green or turquoise color. So let's see. And these colors are my colors. I love all the colors in this. It's going to be perfect for spring. So here is a piece of the white paper that comes in the kit as well. So that way we can get a close-up of the stamp set. So you'll see here in the stamp set, a lot of the images that you saw in the ephemera pack are in the stamp set as well, so that you can stamp them out and color them in your own way as well. And then there are some sentiments and some background stamps, and then you've got some different words here for interactive cards and some of the cards I'm creating will, at least one of the cards I'm creating will be interactive, so I am so excited about it. So you'll be learning how to do some interactive techniques as well. So now everybody gets a half sheet of acetate and a half sheet of vellum. You'll also get a gold sheet, a half sheet, and then you'll also get this shimmery silver sheet, and it's a half sheet as well. And then you'll get one sheet of the turquoisey blue color. You'll also get a pink sheet and a green, and all of these go well with the paper pack. You'll get one sheet of navy, and all of these measure 8.5 by 11. And then you'll get a sheet of orange. Then you're going to get 3 sheets of the white paper, and these are very heavy cardstock. So these will be great for your card bases, or you can stamp your images out on these and cut them out. And then some heavy craft cardstock as well, which will be great for bases as well. So there's enough in this kit to create all the cards that we're going to be creating in the classes. You may have to bring in some basic white cardstock that you already own or some solid cardstock that you have. You'll be able to create most of the cards with this kit. So now in this little baggie, we have some, it's just like a little foam sticker, and I guess to pop things up. And then you have these little wobblers, which I've never owned. You get 2 of the wobblers, and then you get some of this glittery shaker bits. So you can see here, there's 2 wobblers. I'm excited to try those out as well. And then here is an exclusive pin that you can get. And once again, this is one of the bonus items if you order early. So depending on when you order your kit, this one may not be in the kit. It just depends when you place your order. And then here are some little brads, paper brads, and we're going to teach you in class how to use these as well. So that is a very full kit. I am so excited to get started using this kit. I'm so excited for the classes coming up. I'm excited to see the other designers' classes as well. I think this is going to be a fun little, I think it's being called a staycation. I think it's going to be a fun little virtual retreat. And so the classes, we will all be in the live chat as well with you all as you're watching the classes. So I look forward to that as well. Now here's the last thing in the kit, and these are tape runners. So you even have the glue that you need to put your card together. And tape runners are really easy. If you've not used those in place of liquid glue, they're a lot less messy than liquid glue. So here's the kit, and there's plenty here that you'll be able to craft along with us. So I'm going to put everything back in the bag here so I don't lose anything. So I will link below to the classes, and they're on the website. You can choose free, you can choose the VIP ticket, and there will eventually be a bonus ticket, but I don't think that's available yet. But the VIP ticket will contain everything I showed you today, except for some of the bonus items if you don't order in time. But if you order in time, you'll get those items as well. And the VIP ticket also has lots of other benefits, so be sure to check those out on the website. So the last day to order the VIP ticket at the price it is now is on the 31st of January. After that, the price, I believe, goes up, and there is going to be a limited number of kits available after the 31st. So be sure to, if you're interested in taking the class and getting the kit, be sure to check it out before the 31st. Well, I hope that you will join us for the class. I am so excited to be participating and teaching these classes. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.